if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmare.
Hey guys, I'm Violy Anderson. Since I don't want to wash my hands with the disgusting sink, I will wash my hands in the water fountain to spread my germs so people will get coronavirus when they water. Ha 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 ha.
Oh. Violy. How dare you wash your hands in the water fountain? That's it. Lay down on the floor so I will spank you. You don't ever wash your hands in the fountain ever. You hear me? Now thanks to you, they will get sick when they will drink this water. That's it. I am taking you to the principal's office now.
Oh my God, Violy. Not you again. This is the third time you came to my office. So Miss Kate, what did Violy do this time?
Violy washed her hands in the water fountain to spread her germs.
Oh my God. Oh. Violy. How dare you wash your hands in the water fountain? Now thanks to you, people are going to be sick if they drink that water. That's it. I had enough with you now. You are expelled for 200 years. Get out of my office now. And as for you, Miss Kate, you are not allowed to spank kids. You know that's really violence. That's it. You are fired. Get out now.
Oh.
Violy. How dare you wash your hands in the water fountain? That's it. Today is punishment day.
First punishment. Daisy will beat you up by calling Dora's cousin.
Hello. This is Daisy. Who is this?
Hello. This is Violy Anderson. And Daisy, you are nothing but Dora's cousin.
Oh. Violy, how dare you call me Dora's cousin? That's it. I am coming to your house to beat you up.
Second punishment. Yelling at your ears very loud.
That was so loud.
Third punishment. Burning your iPhone 12.
No. My iPhone 12.
Fourth punishment. Turning you into a kid.
Fifth and final punishment. You are grounded for 2 trillion years. Go to your room now.